What's up, guys? Car here, and as you can see in my background, we're going to be creating some Power BI themes in Power BI. If you want to speed up your production, if you want to just go ahead and get deep down into building out your Power BI reports and not worrying about changing all the colors, changing all the fonts, and quickly being able to just change the theme after you finish building that report, sending that report off, let's go ahead and dive right into how to get that done. Alright, so as you can see, we are in the Power BI report. And just to paint a picture, let's just imagine we had a very simple report to do in Power BI. We just needed some maps, we needed a chart, and I'll click on that. So we needed a chart, we needed a map, and then we just needed another chart over here that showed the sales by the month. And then we just needed a few cars, the cost, the sales, the profit, and then we needed a sales target to see if we hit our sales target with each month passing. So we have a theme reference page right here that I created to just give you guys an idea of what colors we're going to be using to create this theme in Power BI and how it's going to be laid out. So I went ahead and did this just to give you guys an idea of how this would look and how we're going to set this up and what are some of the things that you will need. So the first thing you will need is, of course, a color. So I just use YouTube as an example because this is probably one of the most used platforms that's out right now. But just imagine you have a Walmart, Home Depot, Target, Lowe's, any of those big companies. You work for any of those companies and you just want to speed up your production and just go ahead and stamp a theme in your Power BI. So we're going to be using this, and I added some additional colors to our theme as well because 3 is really not enough to build out a appropriate theme. So we're going to add these few colors, and these colors here can be found throughout YouTube as well. So I just picked these colors to add to the theme to give us a YouTube theme. So let's go ahead and get started with that. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this view. Once we go to view, we're gonna come here and hit this drop down. Then we're gonna come to customize your current theme. Once you go into the customize your current theme, you're going to get this dialog box that pops up here where you can name, where you basically do name and colors, text, visuals, pages, and the filter pane. The things that we're going to be focusing on are just 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're not going to really use or mess with the filter pane. So let's just go ahead and get started here. You see that the first color, number 1, is red. So we're going to be using red. So we're going to slide this here so we can see what that hex is. So the way you set this up is you come here to color, and then you just want to enter in this hex. So this is going to be FF and then 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see it change and hit apply. You come here to the next one, which is this gray here, and that gray is this gray up here in this corner. So we're going to change that one using that hex. So it's going to be 8D, 8D, 8D. And you'll see it cycle through the change. So we're just going to continue setting this up. And then the last one is this white, and the white is just FFFF. So we're going to hit apply. So now we have half of our theme set up, but we're not done. So let's just come back here, go to customize some more, and you see that we have customized it quite a bit, but we have not gotten it to what we want it to be. So the next thing we're going to look at is our text. We want our text to be consistent throughout this report. What I'm going to use is the Arial Black. So I'm just going to go Arial Black, and then we can just bump it up 2 times. Keep the font color black, and then see how from the general to the title, let's see. So you have several different fonts. We do not want that. We want to be consistent throughout for the sake of this video. And then I'll just bump this one up twice, and then we want to come here and I'll change this, and I'll keep that the same, and I'll come here and change this to Arial Black. And then the next thing I want to look at is our background, and then we have borders off. So we can do some presets here. We can do header, tooltips, and then we can change our visual background. So for this, we're just going to leave this alone. Then we can come to our page. We can make changes to our page, our wallpaper, And for this, what I want it to be close to red, but not exactly red. So I wanted to come probably about right here. We're going to hit apply. Since we're done, let's hit apply. Now you see that it changes. And let's just go back to the default first. So let's go back to our Power BI theme. So now you see our Power BI theme at its default state without us making any changes. It looks like this. But when we click on here, custom theme, we see that now we get an updated change. So this is our custom theme. Once we're done doing that, we can come here and then we can say save current theme. So then you just save it. And I'm just going to overwrite this one. Just replace it, or you can save it as new if this is your first time. And now you have a custom theme. So imagine now you can come here, you have default, you have all these other ones, city, park, classic, and then you have your custom theme. So if your company is Home Depot, Target, YouTube, Delta, American Airlines, Southwest, you have a custom theme that you can use to help you speed up production in your reports. And leave a comment down below and let me know how this helped. Before you go, if you're new to this channel, here's a chance for you to subscribe and make sure you smash that thumbs up. Once again, make sure you leave some comments down in the comment section. And if you want to check out some more videos that may help you learn on the go as you grow, you can do so right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.